woman, working hard on the front range. Come a cow, yippee, come a cow, yippee, yippee, yay. Come a cow, yippee, come a cow, yippee, yippee, yay. What was the greatest battle ever on the Western Plain? What was the greatest battle ever on the Western Plain? When me and a bunch of cowboys rode in the Jesse James. Come a cow, yippee, come a cow, yippee, yippee, yay. Come a cow, yippee, come a cow, yippee, yippee, yay. A bunch of cowboys rode in to Jesse James. Well, the bullets were a-flying just like a shower of rain. Come a cow, yippee, come a cow, yippee, yippee, yay. Come a cow, yippee, come a cow, yippee, yippee, yay.